Can I include my car leasing or financing costs as part of my business expenses? Let's talk about it. The answer is yes, if you are using your vehicle entirely or a specific percentage of it for business purposes. So, what can be included as part of your vehicle expenses? Fuel, maintenance, tire changes, cleaning, internal and external, if you the insurance costs, and the leasing costs of your vehicle, or the interest on your financing costs for the vehicle. So, how do you calculate business use versus personal use of a vehicle? If you're using the vehicle entirely for business purposes, then 100% of the costs can be attributed to your business. Therefore, you do not need to calculate any proportions or percentages whatsoever. However, if your vehicle is currently being used for both personal and business purposes, then you need to determine what is the percentage that you use for business versus personal. How do we do that? We find out the number of kilometers that the vehicle has been run specifically for business purposes and the remaining balance to be on the personal. Now, the question is, how do we find out the percentage? The best way to do this is to determine the number of kilometers that the vehicle has run throughout the entire year. And we can do this by finding out what the reading on the odometer was at the start of the year and what the reading on the odometer was for the end of the year. And based on that, we can find out, okay, if the number of kilometers was, let's say, 5,000 kilometers throughout the entire year, and for your business you ran about 3,500 kilometers, so a quick math will tell us exactly what the percentage was. Based on this, you can determine the expense you can attribute to your business versus personal, and therefore include in your income tax statement. If you found this video useful, or if you have any further questions, drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Have a wonderful day.